Welcome to the Dave Show. My name is Dave, and today I'm here to talk about this dehumidifier. This is the Airworks 35P. Now, the company did send me this product for review, but they want me to show you what it is and how it works. So, what is a dehumidifier? Well, it's going to take the humidity out of the air, the moisture, things like that. Now, this particular model here, they say is good for like a crawl space underneath a house or in a basement, some of those small spaces, but you can use it for other things. You can use this in a warehouse, you can use it in a garage, you can use it into a room. If you get a flood in your house and you have moisture in the walls or moisture in the carpet, that's what this thing is for. It's to take the moisture out. Now, this is kind of a commercial size and commercial type of unit, but you can use it in your house as well, especially if you have a basement and those kind of things. Now, this is good for up to about 1,000 square foot house, and it has a couple different things to it. It has two ways to get the air out. So once the moisture comes in, it sucks all the moisture out of the air. That moisture has to go someplace. Well, there's a built-in little tray on here, but then there's two different types of drainage. You can have a gravity drain, which means that this is up a little bit higher, and you have a way, like a drain or a tub or a sink or something that's low. Anyways, you can, or a bucket that you can drain into. It's a gravity fed, or you can have a pump. There's actually two different exit holes to this, and they actually do send you tubing. There are actually a lot of different tubings here for both of the different ways of getting the moisture out of it. Now, they also do have a kind of a remote control. You have to plug it in, but it's a remote control option available. I did not get that. It is an extra device, but it's kind of cool. You might want to take a look at that as well. I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the features of this. It's kind of a big unit, so I'm going to do what I can here. It has a handle here. Now, this thing is also 47 pounds, so it is not light. It's got some heft to it. This thing is powerful. This has a huge motor and pump and everything in it. On the back side of it here, you can see it's got a fan. This is the exhaust fan. So the air moisture comes in one side. I'll show you that in just a second. And air comes out and it collects all the moisture inside. Now, here at the back, you do have some additional little plug-in things here. And this is a little jack for the remote as well. Now, I'm not sure what these plug-ins are for. That says that what they are, they're A1 through A6 something. I don't know what you're supposed to plug into. It didn't say in the manual of what it's used for, but I guess if somebody uses this kind of thing, you'll probably figure that out. Big, nice, powerful power cord on it as well. And then on this side, you have one of the drains. You can see that right over here. That one, I believe, I don't remember which one it is. That one might be the pump, or it might be the gravity feed. I'll have to look at that again, because you remember you got two of them. So there's a one on that side there. Okay, now looking at this side, you have a filter on this side here, and then you also have a way down here at the back side, if you can see that, is the drainage pump. Now, this one's for the pump itself. This one is the gravity, this one is the pump. And the pump is used if you have to, say, put this in a basement and you need to run the tubing up a wall and out a window or something. You need, you can't have gravity do it. You need to pump it up and out. That's what you need that there for, is the pump part. And then on this side is the control panel. I'm going to bring you in a little closer so we can take a look at that and show you how that works. Okay, one of the other things is you're going to get an owner's manual. I forgot to show you that. Of course, you do get a manual on it, and it explains all this part to it. But this one here is your, I just plugged this in, and you want to keep this upright like this. And this has your power, continuous, pump, and GPP. What we're going to do is we'll go ahead and turn it on. Now, this gives you the relative humidity here in the air now is at 39%. But I went ahead and turn it on there. It's just a single button, turns it on. Relative humidity. Now, this is the drain. For the drainage, I'm not going to pump that now because there's nothing plugged in. I don't have the tube plugged in to it. And of course, there's no, it's not running anything. Now, you can set this. So you can set this to different humidity levels. It goes up 5%. It looks like up to 80. This one is a continuous, or down to 25. So like right now, 25 would be lower than where we're at here now. And it just kicked on. We'll see how loud it gets. So it's a fan. It's not too bad. It's not too loud. But it is, you can tell that it's on, that it's working. Let's go ahead and put this up I'm gonna set this to 40. And it just shut off. I saw it shut off, or I felt it shut off. Now the fan is gonna run for a little bit, so don't worry about that. Even if you turn the power off, the fan is gonna run because it's gonna cool down the system there. Okay, I had to wait it's about 160 minutes, about a minute and a half to get that fan to shut off because it's loud in here. Now the GBP mode is it's like a grains per pound, and it has to do with another setting for humidity. Right now it's set for relative humidity. If you hit this button, this little GPP comes on, and this is 63. Then you can adjust the grains per pound. I don't know how that works. I don't know. Some people use that, some people don't. It's going to hit this again and go to percentage of relative humidity. That's kind of what we use here, usually in the United States. As you can see, it's very simple and easy to operate with the auto features. It's very simple. Next step is to give this a test. So let's steam up a bathroom and see how well it gets rid of the steam and moisture. Okay, I have this set up in my bathroom and just wanted to show you the relative humidity right now is 37%. I have it set up to the drainage. That's the gravity drain out here to a bucket so we can see. I'm going to turn the shower on, get it nice and steamy in here. We'll check the percentage and then turn this on and see how it goes. Okay, I'm back, and as you can see it's 52%. I'm going to show you here real quick. The mirror, it's fogged up. It is steamy in here. It's really hot. So what I'm going to do is let's go ahead and put you back in here. Let's turn this on. And let's take it to 30%. Let's see, it's at what, 62 now? So we're going to see what it takes to get this moisture out of this bathroom. Okay, I just turned this off. The fan is still on now. I mean, you saw that it went down. It was about 25, 27 minutes, and it went down considerably from where it was. It went way up high, like 80+%. It was hot. It was steamy. So I think that was a good demonstration of how this thing works. Let's take a look at the mirror. It totally cleared up that mirror. It did that. Now let's take a look at the bucket of water. See if you can see that. So there you go. We have a good amount of water. It pulled out of the air. Okay, there it goes. It shuts down now. This thing works really well. Again, I'm in the bathroom. Sorry for the echo. But if you were looking for a dehumidifier for your house, your basement, your crawl space, your warehouse, your garage, any place you need to take humidity out, this one may be the right one for you.